Good morning, class. Day 2. I am enjoying some nice whale watching. Probably not up yet, actually, because we're a little bit farther behind you and everything. But all things considered, I hope you're enjoying your Tuesday morning. Don't forget to go over your homework from last night. And it's page 2, 402, 6 through 10, 11 through 18, the perimeters. I would love it if Sam would read those for me, read those to the class so everybody can see how they did on it, and we'll go from there. All right, so go ahead and read those. I hope you've already done it. If you haven't done it, that's fine. Do that now. Pause this video, do that, and then I will then begin teaching. So get ready. Here we go. We're going to learn something new today. All right, now, so yesterday, we learned that area and arc length are different. We learned what arc length was. Arc length was the circumference and the fraction that is sealed by those 2 points that are called the arc. So, now, today, we are going to, so that what we learned was, what was that fraction? How do we know that fraction? That fraction was theta over 360. That's our fraction, and that doesn't change. The fraction doesn't change. The fraction stays the same, theta over 360. Now, this was for arc length or the segment. We need a formula for area of the sector. Now, let's think about this. We have a circle. How do we determine the whole distance all the way around? It's the circumference, and the circumference was what? 2 pi r. What would the area of an entire circle be? What would the area of the entire circle be? Katie. Katie says what? Oh, great job, Katie. Pi r squared. No, actually, Katie, they're not square. Pi are always round. Well, that was a good try. I'm proud of you. I really am proud of you. You did a good job. You did your best. But to be honest, it's wrong. Okay? But hey, it's okay. We'll use that formula for our equation, though, because that's right for the formula, but it's just not, they're round. So here's the question. And that, by the way, is a joke. I just wanted to kind of lighten up a little bit. Now, so think about this. Area of a sector is the fraction times the whole area. Does that make sense? So there's your equation. This equation is area of a sector. So the area of a sector is theta over 360 pi r squared. So let's think this through. I have an equation. 750. So my theta is what number? What is theta? Jacob? Wake up, Jacob. All right, good. 50, correct. So if the theta is 50 and the radius is 7, right, Travis? Good, Travis. 7. How would I solve it? I plug it into my equation. So what do? Theta, which is 50 over 360. Pi, and what's my radius again? 7 squared. So, step 1, eliminate what you can. 0, 0. 5 goes into 36 how many times? Anybody? Anybody in the back? 5 does not go into 36 at all. So we're done. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times 5 times pi all over 36. Well, what's that final answer? 5 times 40. Okay? 249 pi over 36. Okay? Yep. So you have any questions? That's your final area for the area of the sector. That would be this section right there if I were to shade. Does that make sense to everybody? Any questions? Good. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. And then we'll go from there. All right, so let's do theta, 45. Radius is 9. So, let's say, take my equation. Theta over 360 pi r squared. What's my theta? What's my theta? The number 45. 45 pi r. What's my radius? 9 squared all over 360. So, what's our next step? 45 goes into 360 how many times? Well, we do know that 9 goes into both, correct? Everybody agree with me? 9 goes into 360 40 times. 9 goes into 45 5 times. How many times does 5 go into 40? Well, that's a great question. 5 goes in at 1 time, and here 8 times. We're left with 9 times 9 over 8. And that's your final answer. 81 pi over 8. So, what we're doing here, class, is finding the area of that section, that segment or sector, that area, that entire area. So, let me ask you a question. How would I find the area, if I were to draw a chord, of just this? Well, I would find the whole entire area, which is this right here, and subtract what? I would subtract this triangle. So what they're going to be doing to you, they're going to be having you solve problems that you're looking for this area, or you're looking for the arc length, or you're looking for the whole area, or you're looking for the radius. I don't know what they're going to ask you to do, but now you know how to solve them all. Because if you are looking for that little section right there, what you're going to do is you're going to find the whole sector and subtract this. So technically that is the crust. So when we do Pi Day on March 14th, you will have to solve for the amount of crust you eat. How do you do that? You will do that using this formula right here. So you'll subtract the triangle. All right. So now you have everything you can. You have everything you need to solve and do the rest of the problems on page 402 to 403. I don't want you spending hours and hours and hours Tuesday night going over them. I do want you to try to finish them up. So you'll have some time in class. It's only a 10-minute lesson. So you're going to have 15 to 20, you'll have 25 to 30 minutes in class to work on these problems, finishing them up. On Wednesday, the teacher will hand out a sheet of paper, and that sheet of paper will have these problems worked out in detail for you, copies of all the answers. I want you to go back to your problems that you did. Please show your work so you can see where you made mistakes. That's what you do on Wednesday. You'll grade the different homework assignments that we just talked about. Make sure you know what you did wrong, know what you're going to do. On Thursday, that's what I want you to do. So Wednesday, and then you can talk and work together on Wednesday to make sure you know how to do those problems. So if Katie can help some of you, Matt can help some of you, if you have questions, that's the best thing to do. On Thursday, I want you to take the class period, the entire class period, to work on the chapter review. All right? I will make sure the teacher knows what is assigned for all these days. So you don't have to take it off of here, off the video. You will do the chapter review. Thursday, you will work on the chapter review on your own. I don't want you doing it with other people, on your own. On Friday, I will hopefully have some of these problems done for you, and with you, either I'll have them all written out and you'll get a copy of them, and then you guys can do the proofs together on the board, or I'll have all of them recorded and you will watch on Friday me doing those problems step by step, number 1 through number 27. So I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I have time to record all that, I will. But right now, you will all be doing that. I will email this to the teacher. You don't have to try to remember it all, but I'm just kind of giving you a heads up. I like to tell you in advance what you'll be doing. Don't forget, Monday, pie day. Remember to make a pie for extra credit on your test on Wednesday. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.